Hey, I'm Mike. Welcome to the channel. We're going to start working on the Scout today. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to start taking the messed up body parts off and get going with this body swap. Let's maybe I'll just show you guys, see if you guys can see it. So I got another Scout out there. Went and picked up the body the other day, and it is pretty straight. The driver's door does have a dent, very similar to this in it, but I have a spare driver's door in it. So I think between that Scout and my Scout here, we should be able to get it all put back together. And like I said in last week's video, I do want to change some stuff up a little bit on the Scout, so we'll be doing that as we go. But for today's video, I think we're going to try and take the fenders, the grille, and the hood off. The front two fenders, the hood, the grille, unplug the headlights and stuff, and just start. I think we'll start from the front and just work our way back. So we'll do that today. I'm gonna leave the bumpers and the lights on for now, but we're gonna start here, and then we'll move maybe to the roof rack, and then we'll move to the rear bumper because I got to take that off, the tailgate, and then we'll do the roof. We'll take the roof off, and I'm not sure if anybody wants the top. You can have it. You have to come get it. It is smashed. It is smashed pretty bad up here. But if you want it, let me know. You can come get it. Maybe I'll include the smashed roof rack too. So I don't know. Hit me up if you want the roof. It is, like I said, it is smashed. Not including the rear lift gate, because I do need that. The new Scout I got does not have the rear lift gate, so I need that. So that's not up for sale. Just the roof without that. So, all right, let's get going. Oh, also, got some new merch. So, got the IH Scout trail tested hat. And then I got my, there we go, IH Scout 369 trail tested logo on there. And then on the back, that was not the line. So these will be, I'll link them on the video here, but they'll be up on the website. We're gonna do just a limited drop on these, so they'll be up on the website till April 1st. No, let's do, I think they'll be up to the April 8th. Anyways, they're only going to be up for a couple of weeks. So jump over to the website. Like I said, I'll link it here. I'll put it in the description. Jump over, grab you something. They're kind of fun. They're really nice soft shirts. So, all right, I'm going to set you guys up somewhere and we're going to start tearing into things. All right, so this I don't think the grille's messed up. It's the hood, and the hood was shifted over, but also this piece was pushed forward, so it was just catching right here. But we got it. I do just kind of want to show you the engine bay. So I haven't done anything to the engine bay, but my stupid battery hold down held. That's one thing I'm fixing. My new radiator support that we made, a couple of videos ago held up. The videos, or the radiator's still solid. Everything's still solid. Nothing got jacked up in the engine bay. So thank goodness for that, right? We should disconnect the battery. There we go. All right, hood's off. Perfect. I don't need this anymore. Probably don't need this for a while. Now, the fender, which the fender has, 15 bolts on it, so this might be fun. All right, the camera shut off. Sometimes when you're the cameraman and the star of the show, you forget things. But I was able to get to the inner fender bolts right here. So there was a bolt here. Let's see. There's a bolt right here, there was a bolt down here, and there was a bolt right here. Now there's a bolt that goes right here like that. And I don't have, I guess I have access to the back side of it, but I'm gonna have to use a super long extension. So I will shut you guys off for that because there's no reason. All right, this was the extension that we needed to get into the bolt there. But now the grille. Is there another bolt somewhere? Oh, there's one more. All right, you guys saw that. Ah, okay. There we go. So now let's cut some wire supports. I got all my wires tied up and out of the way, right? Like a good mechanic. That was all loose, okay. There we go, okay. So now, a lot of this stuff I can just unplug because it only plugs back in one way. Oh, except for those are not plugged in. We'll deal with that. When we're able to like move the grill a little bit, then we'll deal with that. But let's move on to the passenger side. All right, passenger side, same thing. Bolt here, a couple of bolts down here, and 3 bolts in here. And this might be difficult because this is smashed in and there's a I'm wondering if I just cut the fender right here. I don't know, we'll try. We'll try and save that first. So let's. All right, we're gonna try. I can get to the bottom one for sure. I'm gonna try and show you guys what it looks like up in there. Let's see if we can see it. So you can see there's this one bolt here, and then there's another bolt right there. But then the third bolt is all the way up there, and I can't really get my hand up there. I wonder if I just try and pry the fender out a little bit, if that might work. So let's see what we can do. Let's get this one first. All right, we're gonna try something. It might be a little sketchy. I don't know, but I can't get into the bolts that are in here. So I'm gonna shove this up in here and then inflate it and see how that goes. So let me. that actually worked. I popped this whole thing out. I wonder if I could do it on this whole fender. Of course, the back part's really jacked up, but now can I get to the? I can get to that one. All right, let's see if we can get it up in there a little bit further. Yeah, that actually, I mean, that works amazing. It just popped this out. I don't know if you guys saw that. That works a treat. Yeah, I think I can get to these. There's a body hack for you. Use a football, a basketball, something, shove it up in there and use it for a wedge. The grill is detached. So now we just need to go along and unhook all the wiring, disconnect the zip ties. These are for the lights. So I'll probably just time lapse this for you, so you don't have to watch me disconnecting every little thing. All right, we successfully got the grill off. And for anybody, oh man, I totally just yanked that plug off. Whoops, it's supposed to have a plug like this, and this is one of the things I want to switch out. This is what I had on hand. You can see like all my plugs are these plugs, and I don't like them. I want to switch to, do I have some around? These type of plugs. Now I have these plugs, and these are what I'm going to switch to. They're weather tight, they sit better, they don't pull out as easy. But for everybody wondering, this was a 4-cylinder Scout, so I cut the 4-cylinder core support out for the radiator, and then I pushed the radiator forward, made some new mounts, made some body mounts up front. That one's already come out. This one's cracked, but you can see how bad the fender was smashed right here. So, all right, something just came up. I'm gonna have to cut the video short. We're gonna stop right there. Get the grill off. This fender is loose all the way down. Maybe I'll hurry and zip these 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts out there. But I'm afraid for this door, the fender has bolts that come in like this around there, and I'm afraid I'm either gonna have to cut the fender or cut the door. I think I'm gonna have to cut the door to get it out, because it's pushed pretty far in there. You can see it's popped in underneath there, and then it's pretty smashed. So I might have to cut the door to even just open it. But this fender is still jacked. But I'm doing the body swap. I got new fenders. I mean, the other Scouts got fenders. So we're gonna call it here and stick around. There's tons and tons of work that's gonna go into this. We're gonna strip it down first, then we're gonna rebuild it. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Stick around next time.